Hey everyone, this is Andrew E. Friedman, and I'm here today to talk about InWin's latest and greatest PC case designs. If you're looking for the ultimate dexterity challenge and a one-of-a-kind look, then InWin has just the thing for you. InWin is offering the POC cases, which are designed to look like origami and, more importantly, are meant to promote improved dexterity both in and out of PC. Standing at 17.6 by 16.4 by 1.78 inches, 449 by 418 by 45 millimeters, the POC case fits GPUs of up to 346 millimeters in length and comes with an accompanying PCIe 3.0 riser cable for attaching GPUs. It also comes with a single 120 millimeters fan and a 2.5-inch internal drive bay for storage. The miniature IDX case comes in blue/black and green/yellow and, thankfully, comes with tools and an assembly guide to help you put it together. With everything included, the entire package will cost you $95. If you would like to purchase replacement pieces, they are available, with the exception of the riser cable, all for around $18. InWin is offering the POC cases under its iBuildyShare banner as a way to promote a better PC building experience. Prior to the POC cases, we saw Teenage Engineering's Computer One come out late last year, which is quite similar in design, though lean more on the expensive side, with a $195 price tag for the orange and $249 for the silver option. It may not be the easiest project, but if you're looking for something artistically unique, then InWin's POC cases could be just the inspiration you need to get started. Plus, the accompanying guide makes assembly much easier and should have you building in no time.